Hello kids, how are you? I hope all of you are doing very well at home and doing your work. Okay. Today in this computer class we will start a new chapter, that is managing files and folders. Okay. In this chapters we will learn how we can create folders, how we can manage that folders and files. Okay. Let's start the chapter. Now start our chapter managing files and folders in Windows 10. Managing files and folders. And before we start these chapters, I will tell you what is Windows. Windows is an operating system, and without operating system, a system can't work. If you want to make computer work properly and do all the jobs, then the requirement is operating system. Without operating system, you can't even start the systems. Okay, it control all the activity of the computers, and there are various operating systems: Windows, Linux, Unix. Okay, and you have done work with Windows in your computer labs. And before Windows 10 there are various versions of Windows came, that is Windows 7, Windows 8. Okay, you can see in this picture Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Okay, Windows 10 include all the features of Windows 7 and 8 in itself. Okay, but Windows 10 has some more features that make it more attractive and use. Okay, these features are not in Windows 8 and 7. Now we will discuss all these features of Windows 10. First one, attractive and easy to use. The Windows 10 has an attractive transparent look with blue highlighting features. It has a complete set of new pictures, themes, tiles and icons. The use of graphics make it quite interactive. It works the way we want and make new thing possible. You have already used Windows 10 and you have seen that it's very attractive. Okay, if you already worked in Windows 7, you can see there's a lot of difference in their look. Okay, because there are so many icons included in Windows 10, it look more attractive. Next, improved start menu. The new start menu of Windows 10 gives you quick access to apps and services. You have seen start menu. When you click on the start button, a menu will appear and so many apps are available in that menu. Okay, in the left side of the taskbar, start button is there. You have to click on that start button and various apps are available in start menus. Okay, this is the start. When you click on the start button, this will open. So many apps are there: File Explorer, Get Started, Word 2016, Snipping Tool, Task Manager, Paint, Adobe, Alarm and Clock. These are the start menu. And you can see the icon of the various apps. The right side. All apps. All apps are available here. Okay. Next, search tool Cortana. This feature is very important and it make Windows 10 different from other Windows version 7 and 8, because this feature is not included in Windows 7 and 8. Okay, and it is a search tool. And what is the purpose of search tool? For searching any file in your system or web directly with the help of Cortana. Okay, it can also use to play music, video. You can set alarm, reminders, and you can send even emails. Okay, with the help of Cortana. And you know who's the founder of Microsoft Windows? Bill Gates. Okay, in 1985 he developed this Microsoft Office. Next, supports multiple desktop. The next feature of Windows 10 is it can support multiple desktop. You have seen one desktop in Windows 7 and 8. You can work on only one desktop, but in Windows 10 there is a one button, that is task view button on the taskbar, and that button provides the ability to open multiple Windows desktop at the same time. बहुत सारी Windows multiple desktop जो है आप open कर सकते हो जब आप task view button पे click करते हो. Okay, and you can create multiple desktop for different tasks so that one can related set of application invisible on one desktop. Okay, there is a no limit to the number of desktop that you can create. कोई लिमिट नहीं है, आप कितने भी डेस्कटॉप नंबर ऑफ डेस्कटॉप्स क्रिएट कर सकते हो. Okay, next, window snapping. This feature assists you to work with multiple applications on the same screen. Means you can work with multiple application on the same, एक ही स्क्रीन के ऊपर मल्टीपल एप्लीकेशंस, मतलब मल्टीपल वर्क्स यू कैन डू. ओके, यू कैन ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप ए विंडो टू एनी कॉर्नर ऑफ द स्क्रीन. आपकी ऐसे होता है जैसे 3-4 विंडोज ओपन हो गई हैं. एक विंडो पे आप एक काम कर रहे हो, दूसरे विंडो पे दूसरा काम कर रहे हो, आप उन विंडोज को ड्रैग भी कर सकते हो, ड्रॉप भी कर सकते हो. ओके, द नेक्स्ट फीचर इज द न्यू ब्राउजर एज. Microsoft Edge is the default browser of Windows 10. Have you seen browser? Internet Explorer, that is also a browser. But in Windows 10, by default, which browsers we provide? Microsoft Edge. It allows you to write and highlight the text directly on the web pages. Okay, you can directly write on the web pages. Cortana is an inbuilt feature of Microsoft Edge that helps you to do things faster. Inbuilt मतलब Cortana इसकी inbuilt है, मतलब हमें Cortana को ऐड नहीं करना पड़ रहा Microsoft Edge में. आप Cortana में एंटर करोगे, क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन सर्च करना चाहते हो, आपने वो डाली, वो डायरेक्टली वेब से सर्च करेगा. और वो ब्राउजर कौन सा यूज होगा? Microsoft Edge. ओके, नेक्स्ट विंडो स्टोर. The Windows Store applications provides you with all kind of paid and free apps, games, music, movies, etc. with Microsoft Store. You can try an app before you buy it. Open these apps in multiple small windows on the desktop. You have seen Play Store in your phone, smartphone. What is the purpose of Play Store? It is used to download various apps. It can be free or paid. You can download music, anything you can download, Gaana.com, any app you can download with help of Play Store. Okay, same as Windows Store is the feature of Microsoft 10 that are provide all kind of free apps or paid apps. You can download games, music, movies with help of this. Okay, these are the various features of Windows 10 that make it different from the Windows 7 and 8. Okay, next, starting Windows. When you switch on the computer, Windows operating system start loading into the computer memory. And what that purpose is called? Process is called booting. This is called booting. When you start the system, Windows operating system start loading into the computer memory. That process is called booting. Okay. Once the process get completed, the first screen that appear on a monitor is known as desktop. When you start your system, which screen you seen first? Desktop. Okay, and it contains number of icons. These icons are the graphical images, symbols that representing various files or program. I am giving one example, Microsoft Word. When icon is present on the desktop, you can open Microsoft Word directly with that icon. Okay, this is the Cortana. In I am Cortana, ask me anything. You can type any keyword here, it will search, or any file name, it will search in the system. Okay, this is Windows Store symbol. It present in start menu. Okay, this is a symbol of Windows Store. Sports multiple desktop. You can see there are so many desktop 1, 2, 3, 4. You can even add more with plus sign. It can be shown with the help of task view button. Microsoft Edge, that browser. Okay, it is working as an Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, like that. Desktop. This is the desktop, the first screen that appear with the labeled picture on it. And these are. This is the Cortana. In I am Cortana, ask me anything. You can type any keyword here, it will search. Window taskbar. You can see arrow, the horizontal bar at the end of the desktop, bottom of the desktop. Okay, and the window taskbar divided into 3 sections: start button, middle section, and notification area. Okay. Okay, next, search tool Cortana. This feature is very important and it make Windows 10 different from other Windows version 7 and 8, because this feature is not included in Windows 7 and 8. Okay, and it is a search tool. And what is the purpose of search tool? For searching any file in your system or web directly with the help of Cortana. Okay, it can also use to play music, video. You can set alarm, reminders, and you can send even emails okay, with the help of Cortana. And you know who is the founder of Microsoft Windows? Bill Gates, okay, in 1985. Next, start button. You have seen the start button. This is mostly used button on the Windows desktop. Mostly used button है, हम mostly इसी को ही use करते हैं. When we click on the start button, a menu appears displaying the major options along with the light tiles. This is called start menu and it provide access to the installed program on a computer. जो program आपके कंप्यूटर में इंस्टॉल है, like MS Office, Microsoft, अगर Word अगर इंस्टॉल है तो वो आपके स्टार्ट मेन्यू पे शो होगा, okay, जब आप क्लिक करोगे. Next is PC folder. This PC folder display the content of computer, hard disk, CD, DVD or any other external storage such as pen drive. Our computer system divided into various drives, okay, C drive, D drive, and you can see the pen drive. When you attach the pen drive with computer, that drive is also shown in this folder, okay. The PC icon, we can access and manage all the folders and files stored in the computer. इस फोल्डर का क्या काम होता है, जितनी भी हमारी फाइल्स या फोल्डर्स होते हैं उनको एक्सेस करना और मैनेज करना. दैट इज द वर्क ऑफ दिस पीसी ऐप. इट इज़ यूजफुल फॉर फाइंडिंग एंड ऑर्गेनाइजिंग. कुछ सर्च करनी है फाइल, हमने कुछ ऑर्गेनाइज करना है अपने फाइल्स को. इफ़ यू वांट टू मूव फाइल फ्रॉम वन सिस्टम, वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस, वन ड्राइव टू अनदर ड्राइव, यू कैन मूव, and even we can copying the file or folders in a computer, okay. Double clicking on this PC icons open the folder as shown in this figure. When you double click on the PC icon, it will open a dialog box. Here it is a dialog box. Desktop. This is the desktop, the first screen that appear with the labeled picture on it, and these are. This is the PC folder. You can see there are various parts of PC folder. Back button, up button, forward button, navigation pane, right pane, search box, ribbon, address bar. Okay, what is address bar? It display the complete path of the selected file and folder. If your file in D drive, then it will give the complete path of that file in D drive. Okay. Up button, it takes you one step in the folder tree. Means if in D drive, if there is a one more folder, that is folder 1. If you are in folder 1, when you click on this button, you will back to the D drive. Okay. Back button, it let you navigate to the previously opened folders without closing the current window. अगर हमने पीछे वाले फोल्डर जिसमें हमने पहले काम किया उस पर मूव करना चाहते हैं तो you have to click on the back button. Forward button. After using the back button, you can use the forward button to again move to the current open window. जो आप मान लो आप पहले बैक बटन से पहले वाले फोल्डर पे चले गए, आपने वापस आना है अपने फोल्डर पे जिस पे आप काम कर रहे थे, then you have to click on the forward button. Okay. Navigation pane. It is a left pane that display the list of drives and folders. जितने भी folders हैं, जितनी भी drives हैं, desktop, downloads, documents, pictures, OneDrive, this PC, network, home group, all these are shown in this navigation pane. Okay. Right pane. It display the content of the folder that has been selected in the left pane. If you select desktop, all the icons of the desktop will show here. All the drives of the desktop will show in the right pane. If you click on this folder, this PC folder, it will show all the content of this PC folder. Here in this example, this PC folder is selected and all the folders and drives in this PC folders are shown in the right pane. Okay. Search box. It allow you to quickly search folders in your current folder. If you are in drive D, you can search any file in drive D after writing the file name in this address search box. Okay. Ribbon. Ribbons contain various commands arranged in the form of tabs and groups so that you use to work with files and folders. Okay, you just understand what is PC folder. There is no need to cram all these things. You have just understand. You need understanding only how much icons and how much folders and how much drives are there in PC folders. What are the purpose of these buttons? Next, File Explorer. Like a PC Explorer, File Explorer is the same thing. The File Explorer is an application that display the detailed information about the files, folders and drivers. Means in PC folder it show all the driver, okay, but details are not shown in the PC folders. Okay, if you want to see particular detailed information about the particular drivers, folders, you can see with the help of File Explorer. Okay, it enable you to access, edit, manage and organize your files and folder. It will help you to access, edit कर सकते हो, manage कर सकते हो, उसको organize कर सकते हो with help of File Explorer. You can use it to view, create, delete, copy, move, rename and search file and folder. आप कोई भी फाइल को क्रिएट कर सकते हो, देख सकते हो, उसको डिलीट कर सकते हो, उसकी कॉपी कर सकते हो, उसको मूव करवा सकते हो, उसका नेम चेंज कर सकते हो, इवन देन आप सर्च भी कर सकते हो विद हेल्प ऑफ दिस. एंड हाउ वी कैन ओपन द फाइल एक्सप्लोरर? दीज आर द स्टेप्स. Click on the start button, after that File Explorer option, or you can use the shortcut key. Shortcut key is the window key plus capital E. You can use start button, after that File Explorer option, or you can key shortcut key with the help of keyboard. You have to click on window key. After pressing window key, you have to click on E for opening the File Explorer. Okay. To view the viewing contents. To view the content of any file or folder, simply double click on it. For example, in your desktop there is a one file, Word file. You want to open that file or content of that file. You just need to double click on that file. It will open. Or you can change the layout of the file and folder by using the View tab. Means if you want to see all the files in small icons, in large icons, you can set with the help of View tabs. Okay. And what are the various components of the files and folder? Firstly, files. It is a collection of related information stored together on some storage device such as a hard disk, CD, DVD and pen drive. What is file? File is a collection of related information. मीन्स एक दूसरे से मैच हो जो इन्फॉर्मेशन, वो इन्फॉर्मेशन हम एक जगह रखते हैं. वो एक जो जगह है वो कहीं मेमोरी में स्टोर होती है. वो चाहे हम हार्ड डिस्क में स्टोर करें, सीडी में स्टोर करें उस फाइल को, डीवीडी में करें या किसी पेन ड्राइव में करें. ओके. एज वी कीप इम्पोर्टेंट पेपर्स इन ए फाइल, लाइकवाइज एनी इन्फॉर्मेशन इन कंप्यूटर इज सेव्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फाइल. जैसे आप होमवर्क करते हो, आप अपना होमवर्क किस में मेंशन करते हो? किसी कॉपी में मेंशन करते हो. तो आप आपके सारा जो आपने होमवर्क किया, लर्न किया, सब कुछ आप एक कॉपी में मेंटेन करते हो. ऐसे ही कंप्यूटर जो सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है वो किस में मेंटेन करता है? फाइल में मेंटेन करता है. और हर फाइल को एक नेम दिया जाता है. जैसे आप एक कॉपी को नेम देते हो ना, दैट इज हिंदी नोटबुक, इंग्लिश नोटबुक, साइंस नोटबुक. सेम एज इन कंप्यूटर ईच फाइल इज गिवन इन फाइल नेम विच हेल्प अस टू फाइंड व्हेन एवर वी रिक्वायर्ड. कि जब हमें ज़रूरत होती है तो हम उस फाइल को सर्च कर सकते हैं. This is File Explorer and these are the various component of File Explorer. Left pane, quick access, status bar, right pane, detail pane. Okay, and left pane display all kind of locations such as this PC folder, device and drives connected to your computer and other folders on your computers. Click on the location to view its content in the right pane. Okay, next quick access is a vertical ribbon that show a list of frequently used folder and recent file. Means जो आप बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हो फाइल्स और फोल्डर्स, उसकी लिंक्स हमारे पास क्विक एक्सेस में होते हैं. यू कैन एक्सेस दैट फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर डायरेक्टली विद द क्लिक ऑन दैट क्विक एक्सेस. ओके. स्टेटस बार, it display the total number of items in a location or the number of selected item and their total size. If you select 7 items, 1 items, it will show their memory. What is the total size of that icon that you have selected? Okay. If you selected a particular file, it will show the size of that file, the name of that file also. Okay. Right pane, display the content of folder that you have been selected in the left pane. आपने left pane में जैसे कि desktop, download, documents, pictures, this PC, आपने जो भी डेस्कटॉप, जो भी ड्राइव को या फाइल को आपने सेलेक्ट किया हुआ है, वो उसके सारे कंटेंट, ऑल द कंटेंट ऑफ दैट ड्राइव विल शो इन द राइट पैन. मानो डेस्कटॉप पे आपके पास 4 फाइल्स हैं, दैट फाइल्स विल शो इन द राइट पैन. डिटेल पैन, इट शो द मोस्ट कॉमन प्रॉपर्टीज एसोसिएटेड विद द सिलेक्टेड file such as author, size, date, you last change on that the file. In this picture there is a file that is a word file, knowledge of information. Okay, you have selected this file and the detail of properties of this file are shown in the detail pane. It's a word file. This person has created this file. Size of this file is 129 KB. Last modified date is also given there. All these properties are mentioned in the detail pane. And there are the two buttons. This button display the items using large thumbnail. This button display detailed information about each item in a window. These are the various components of File Explorer. Okay kids, I hope now you understand what are the various features of Windows 10, how it is different from Windows 7 and 8, and what are the PC folder, File Explorer, what are the various components of these two. Okay, in next video we will do the further topics of this chapter. Okay, till then take care, bye bye.